Are you a student, teacher, YouTuber, creator, or business owner? No matter who you are, in today's digital era, having a professional Facebook page is essential. Your personal Facebook account and professional page should be separate. You can start uploading your content on Facebook and earn a solid monthly income. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page using your mobile phone, step by step. But before we begin, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. First, decide what the purpose of your page is. Is it for a shop, a YouTube channel, an educational brand, or something else? Make sure you remember the name and write a short description before starting. Now open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon, tap on Pages, then tap on Create. Now tap Get Started Here, select your page category. For example, if you're running a wholesale business, type and select Wholesale. If it's a shopping store, choose a shopping-related category. For a mobile shop, choose Mobile Phone Shop. Tap Done to proceed. Next, enter your Facebook page name. Important, choose wisely. Once your page gains followers, changing the name becomes difficult and might get rejected. For this guide, I'll write Faisal Shabir Official, but you should choose your own. Then tap Done and Continue. You can now add your city or local if you want, or simply tap Skip. Now upload a cover photo. Recommended size is 851 by 315 pixels. Prepare it in advance using Canva or any graphic tool. Then upload your profile picture, which can be your brand logo or a personal photo. Tap Done once you're finished. Your page is now ready. But wait, a few more important settings will help you grow faster. Invite your friends, join Facebook groups related to your niche, share your posts there to get more reach, connect your Facebook page with WhatsApp, highly recommended for shop business owners. Make your first post and clearly explain what your page is about, what followers can expect, what value they'll get. Also, enable the auto-reply feature to instantly respond to inbox messages. Add your website or store location, set business hours, connect your Instagram account to grow both platforms together, tap Settings Page Info to complete your page details. The more info you add, the faster your page grows. If you haven't created your Facebook page yet, now is the best time. Facebook is becoming a serious platform for earning, branding, and growing your influence. Start today and stay ahead of the game. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this guide. Thanks for watching Tech.